guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I have a special unboxing. This is my button press, which I've always wanted, so let's open it and see. I'm going to leave a link to this button press below if you are interested in this. So yeah. Okay, so I open the box and you'll see here it comes with some pins, some button backings, I think these are, and some rings, and then obviously the clear plastic see-through bit, I don't know what you call it, that goes over the top. It also comes with a piece of glass, plexiglass. And you can see these circles already, that's because I've already unboxed this and tried it, but I just thought I'd wrap it all back up and do an unboxing. There's also a little box here. It also comes with like an instruction thing for badges and different sizes. And this is the button press. Get rid of this box. And if the camera will focus, I'm going to open this. Here it is. So I ordered a red one, but apparently they like send in different random colours. So there's blue, red and orange, and they sent me an orange one, which I don't mind. I think it's okay. And then this is the piece that fits the top. So I've got this here. Whoops. And then in this one is the cutter for the print for your prints. So look out. You can see. This is how you cut the stickers out, which I am going to show you a tutorial of that in a second. Okay, so onto the button part, you'll see that it comes with like an elastic band. You take that off and then that's how it spins around. And you also need to attach this to the top, which is how you press it down, and it goes this way around like this, but you need to remove these pins here, which I'm going to do now. So once you've removed the pin, the little thing should slide out like that, and you add this way, make sure the handle is facing that way, then slide the pin in. Whoops, daisy. And then you have to insert the pin back in so it doesn't fall out. Okay, so I've put the handle in place and then you just press down and that's how it works, like this. And this little piece is really important too for making buttons, so that's the unboxing. Now, okay, so I've just made my button designs and sized them up using Krita, and it's of my little robot Echo. And now I'm going to go ahead and print them. Okay, so I've just printed my artwork and now I just need to cut them out using this little cutter here. So I'm going to place it on here like this and make sure it's centre. And then press down and slowly go around in a circle like that. And then hopefully, if I've done it right, it should come out like this. Whoops, hang on. You see? Right, so now I'm going to show you how to press it as a button. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is take this little backing here and place it face down into the button press on the silver one, not the dark grey one, the silver one. And then you want to take one of your rings, which looks like this, and have it so the sharp edge is facing upwards, and place it face up in the grey one, like that. And then you're going to take your piece of art and place it face up in the silver one. And then you take your clear plastic, I know it's hard to see on camera, and place that over the top, like that. And then you see this little device, which I showed you earlier. You place this on top of your art, like that. And then you want this piece, so it's like a top hat, like that. And you're going to slide it underneath, and then press down on the button press, like that. Swivel it back to middle. Then you want to pick the whole thing up like that, move it across, and then this silver thing on top, you want to flip it over so it's face down, and then twist it back underneath and press down again, like that. And then hopefully you should have a little button like this. There you go. Now all that's left to do is to add the pin on the back, which is pretty easy. So here are my echo buttons. These are available on my Etsy shop if you'd like to purchase one. They're only £1, but the link is below if you would like to buy one. And I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and comment below what you think. And I'll see you next week with another video.